Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about this crop top. Very easy step-by-step instructions, so even beginners can follow. So for that, first you need to take your measurement. So I'm just taking the chest measurement, the 34, 35, whatever is your chest, you can take it like this way. So after taking the chest measurement, we need the length of our crop top from here to see. Now also I'm taking this strap measurement, that how much we want the length of our strap, and after that I will measure the total length of our crop top. So it's here, it's almost till here, so you can measure this way. So it's almost 12 inches here. So after that the width is depend that how much wide you want your strap. Here I take 3 inches wide, and this is the length of your crop top, almost 8 inches. So I will add the 2 inches for the seam allowances. So this is like 34 is widthwise, and almost 10 is lengthwise, this fabric. So I just mark here the center because we want the twisted one. The style is twisted crop top. So if you don't want the twisted one, you can skip this step. So now see how I twisted, something like this, and after that just attach the pins here so that your twist will remain here. And after stitching we will skewer it by hand also. I will show you. So I just attach the pins. Guys, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button. See, now I'm going to attach these two parts, and see, something like this. This stitching will come on the back side of our top, and this the pin part will come the front side. Hope you understand this point. I'm making it very clear, step-by-step instruction, so even beginners can follow. I'm using here my serger because my fabric is knit fabric. You need to make this crop top with knit fabric because we want a little stretchy fabric here. So now I just stitch this line. Now you can see here I just stitched this line. Now it's time to skewer our this twisted part. I just take a hand needle and I'm just making it with the hand stitch to skewer this twisted part. And see, now it's time to make the straps. So for that I just take this 6 inch wide because I will fold it, and 12 inches lengthwise. So this fabric I need, and this way this is 6 inches because after folding it will become 3 inches. And this total I just take 24 because after that I will cut from the center and make the two straps, one for right and one for left. Hope you get my point. So guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe the channel Salika Mag. I already uploaded the complete course of for beginners, how to make your own pattern, stitch dress, each and everything step by step. You can check in my playlist. So I just stitch this, and now it's time to turn it inside out, and after that make sure that you press it properly for the neat result. So our steps are ready, you can see here. And now I just cut it from the center because I want to make two steps. And now it's time to attach. First I will attach from the back side, and make sure that see, on both sides it should be equal. So from mid I'm taking the 4 inches this way. So this is the point where I will start my straps. You can also measure on your body exactly at what point you want to start. So you can see this is the back side, And now I will attach first my back straps, because this is a twisted crop, so the front steps will be a little tricky. So I will show you how you can attach those, so don't skip from here. So see, I just attach the pins. Now first I'm just stitching my back straps, and after stitching this the both straps, I will show you how you can attach the front. This is a very beautiful crop top with a twisted effect, and even you can use it as a bra. So you can see this is very nice here. Now the back side is attached. Now you can pin up the front side according to your body, so you will better understand at what point you exactly need your straps. So that's how I attach with my dummy, and according to that I just attach the pins. See, now it's time to stitch these straps on the front as well. So make sure that you double stitch it. So guys, our front steps are also almost done, and let me show you the final result. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe if you are first time here. You can see how easily we done this crop top. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.